Hi everyone, welcome back to the Scriptcase Macros course. My name is Nate Carpenter, and in today's video we're looking at the SC group by label macro. So this macro allows us to modify the group by label, so let's go ahead and look at this. So it dynamically modifies a field's group by label. So let's go ahead and look at the documentation for this. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is pass through the field label that you want to change, and then assign it the value that you want it to change to. You can put it on the onGroupBy event on the grid, and I'll show you where that is. So let's go ahead and copy this example here, and I've got a grid set up over here. So let's go ahead and run this grid so you can see what it looks like. I've got a couple different group bys set up. So I've got one set up by default here, and then I've got another payment date staff ID set up here, and we're going to change this one. So this label right here, staff ID or year of payment date is going to be what we change, and we're going to change this year of payment date label right here. So first we need to find that event. So that's the onGroupBy event. Now this event might be a little bit harder to find. It's not with all the other events here. It's a specific GroupBy event. So you need to go to GroupBy and then events. And then we have a GroupBy event for each individual field, but we need the onGroupBy all event for this macro to work. So let me copy in that code there. And we need to select it for the payment date field. So I go to fields and there's that field name right there, payment date. Payment underscore date. So let me go ahead and type that in, payment underscore date. And then we just need to assign the new value we want for that label. So I'm going to call it year of payment grouping. So year of payment grouping is going to be our label for that. So let's go ahead and run this and we should see a new group by label. So wait for it to load here. Go ahead and change our group by to the other group by that has that field in it. And click apply. And there we go. There, that label is changed to year of payment grouping, which is what we set it equal to. So that's how you use SC group by label to change a field's group by label dynamically.